In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your domain on Flippa. We'll walk through the full listing flow so you can confidently set up your sale, price it smartly, and manage buyer interest all the way to a secure handover. First, head to the Flippa website and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, look to the top right and click Sell Now. This takes you into the listing wizard. Start by entering your domain name exactly as it's registered. Then click Continue. On the next screen, scroll down and select Domain as the category so buyers immediately know they're viewing a domain-only listing. After that, choose the industry that best matches your domain's niche. Use the Refine drop-down to get more specific. This helps your listing appear in the right searches. Click Continue to move forward. If you are shown options or products on screen such as visibility enhancements or promotional features, select what fits your goals and budget, then continue. Next, provide the technical info. Add your registrar, the original registration date if available, and the current expiry date. Accuracy here builds trust and lets buyers plan transfer timing. Keep your records handy so these details match what's in your registrar account. Now it's time for your description and valuation. Write a clear, compelling summary that explains why the domain is valuable. Mention relevant keywords in the name. Its brevity, memorability, age, and any traffic or brand potential it has. If it aligns with a high-demand niche, say so. Use Flippa's estimation tool as a pricing reference point. It's a helpful benchmark. But pair it with your market research and recent sales of similar names to set a competitive number. Choose your pricing strategy. You can list a fixed asking price for straightforward sales, or run an auction to encourage bidding activity. If you go auction, set a reasonable starting bid, and if you like, a reserve price as your minimum acceptable outcome. Keep the reserve realistic. Setting it too high can discourage bidders. Select a plan to publish your listing. Flippa offers options like entry, boosted, or premium, each with different levels of visibility and marketing. Pick the plan that matches how much exposure you want and what you are comfortable spending. Then complete the purchase to go live. After publishing, manage the sale professionally. Respond promptly to buyer questions, keep communication on platform, and when you reach an agreement, use Flippa escrow to securely complete the transaction. Once funds are secured in escrow, follow the platform's guidance to transfer the domain through your registrar. Thanks for watching.